First, the top stories. Chief Minister Biren calls for joint action to curb drug menace. Increase in drug abuse by the youth worrisome, says Governor Dr. Nazma. And cookies observe Black Day demand justice for innocent cookies killed in mayhem of 1990s. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today underlined the need for his government to work hand in hand with pressure groups and the masses in the effort to curb drug menace in Manipur. He was addressing the media at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Imphal today. Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Director General of Police, L.M. Khaute and other top-ranking police officials also attended the press meet. A large quantity of illicit liquor and related items which were seized by police yesterday from Thawal Athokpum Lekai was also produced before media persons during the press meet. N. Biren announced that a stringent policy will soon be formulated to fight against drugs and intoxicants. The Biren government had in November 2018 declared a war on drugs affecting a significant number of people in Manipur.
Government chap chaba policy ma laktangai gi marak sidasu sugumba spirit kumba adagi kaino gi no ki makhal makha gi sarap hapagumba adagi nisaka na bane haidana guli hapchalli haibagumba manamde yungang sisu Manipur da phangiba yungang sisu sungaga yungang semaga yolambagi mamangi mafam amada aduna sigi leiba mayamse masi Mi Shivayaba, Karbar Toguse, Masi Putatagi Lepio, any Hawal the Wagera, Sangmai the Wagera, Andro the Wagera, Kairao the Wagera, Hangang the Wagera, any Akogi Kakulong the Wagera, anywhere, Mi Shivayaba, Tanasana Winamada is Hendung Krapanga Vidamta, Mi Shivayaba Port Yansenba, Nisakana Banana Migi Punsi, Sakau Satapia, Tobas Gumbase, Tovinu had the name of the Apple Togeri.
Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah said youth today is a major resource for not only development of financial prosperity but for social changes as well. However, despite holding such importance, their energy is still not being channelized in the right direction. Speaking during the 3rd state level youth convention organized by Service Bridge Agency at the Raj Bhavan Darbar Hall, Dr. Nazma further said youth empowerment can catalyze major social developments like poverty eradication, good education standard, good governance and crime reduction. The governor also mentioned the effects of drugs among the youth. Drugs addiction is worrisome. The worst thing about being addicted to drugs is that it affects the youth miserably. Unfortunately, Manipur is one of the states substantially affected by drug trafficking and its concomitant issues. Ganja and poppy are widely cultivated and poverty is the key factor which drives unemployed locals to take to such cultivation. Seeing the gravity of this menace, I have taken an initiative for the state government to co-host with the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime Regional Office for South Asia a 2-day regional international conference come meeting on the theme Comprehensive Approach to Combating Illicit Trafficking of Afghan Opiates and Drug Situations in the Northeast at Raj Bhavan, Imphal on 30th September to October 1st. She said, representatives from 6 South Asian countries and 7 states of the Northeast will congregate to hold brainstorming deliberations on issues relating to drug trafficking and drug abuse. She urged the youth to stand up against the scourge of drug abuse, which is detrimental to the prospects of the young generation. Hill Tribal Council More organized Cookie Black Day today, remembering brutal killing of innocent Cookie people allegedly by NSC and IM, who also torched their villages during Naga Cookie clash of 1990s in Manipur. A massive peace rally was taken out at More town to mark the day. The rally, which started from More Galngam Lentol ground, passed through More police station, Nepali Basti, Kananvang More market and finally culminated at the Hill Tribal Council office. The protesters held placards which read, "Framework agreement is as dark as negative impact of drugs abuse. No Naga solution before justice for cookies. Punish the murderers of 1,000 cookie. Leave and let live." Later, the council submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister of India through Technopol Deputy Commissioner, urging him to deliver justice to all the victims. Vehicular movement in the town bordering Myanmar was suspended from 6 am to 1 pm due to the observation. Markets, shops, hotels and business establishments were also shut. Traffic along Imphal-More Road was also suspended. Security was tightened in the town to avoid unwanted incidents during the observation. The Kuki Inpi Jiri Tamenglong zone under the banner of Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM also observed the Kuki Black Day at the Phaitol Village Community Hall. Later, the participants took out a silent procession which marched through Phaitol Village. Placards that read, "Kuki solution before Naga solution, world must condemn NSC and IM program" were held by the demonstrators. Over 500 individuals took part in the procession marking the day. President of Kuki Inpi Jiri Tamenglong Zone, Pu Jangset Haukip, said Kukis every year observe Kuki Black Day to remember the innocent Kuki people who were killed allegedly by NSC and IM. He also criticized the government for failing to bring justice for the victims. Haukip urged the government to meet the long-pending demands. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker of Kuki Inpi Jiri Tamenglong Zone, Pu Thangboy Singson, demanded deliverance of justice for the Kuki at the earliest. Meanwhile, the Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM said that the Kukis observed September 13 as the darkest day in the history of Kuki. On this day in 1993, the NSC and IM killed nearly 1,000 innocent Kuki civilians belonging to Jopi Kuki village and Gelnel village in Tamenglong and Senapati districts of Manipur. A press meet was held at KIM office at Babupara, Imphal today. KIM Vice President Somin Thang Dongel said the Kukis all over the globe mourn this day as Kuki Black Day, paying tribute to the departed souls and seeking justice for them.
Criminal act of NSN IM grossly trample international law and the laws of India. The government of India therefore has the full responsibility to settle the matter in the proper court of law before making any kind of solution with the NSN IM.
The Kukis staged protest rally in major Kuki towns and villages across the state to demonstrate against the denial of justice by the government. KIM said they also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and Biren to settle NSC and IM's heinous criminal act, murdering around 1,000 innocent Kukis, including children, pregnant mothers, elders, etc. The memorandum also mentioned about uprooting 360 villages and seizure of Kuki ancestral land and displacement of more than 1 lakh Kuki people and rendering them homeless during the mayhem. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, a 3-day third mega event science exhibition organized by Mother's Pride Academy Quaxify begins. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong Yengdio, garlic mixer katanatana, Kanglagi no food items singing Maho Kanglavada, Nauri the Wakana Label.
Kangla.
Hello Food Express na adom adom gi matam manghandana home delivery to bugi khudong chaba pijari ngasi mak housing mak adom na adom gi mobile da click ani khak nambiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchin biu apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapa da leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiu
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makalsing Hello Food Express na vijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silogi
Hello Food Express your favorite food delivery
Welcome back after the break. A 3-day third mega event science exhibition organized by Mother's Pride Academy Coxify has begun at the school premises today. Officials of Directorate of Education S. Bigyan Mandir O. Mohindro, S. Ragini, Chairman of Mother's Pride Academy, K. Devendra, Principal of the school K. H. Basanta were present at the opening event. O. Mohindro held the school for conducting such exhibitions.
This 56 into 56 in, now some of Pusparani
Speaking on the occasion, S. Ragini lauded the young students of class 4 and 5 for illustrating their brilliant ideas, models and articulation during the exhibition. She further said the students of this school are role models for the other school students. Principal of the school K. H. Basanta said it is important to organize such an event for the betterment of the students. A manosphere drone in Manipur, river section of Wangu Sandangkhon Litan Makong under Kumbi police station of Bisnupur district. The incident happened around 12 noon. The man has been identified as Sorokhaibam Sanjoy, age 40 years of Chairal Mangjil, Bisnupur district. The incident occurred when Sanjoy, after fishing, went down to the river to wash himself, a report said. Adding that search for the body is underway. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA organized a blood donation camp at RIMS Blood Bank in collaboration with Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS. The blood donation camp was held in connection with the 21st Foundation Day of IPSA to be held tomorrow. More than 40 people, including members of IPSA, donated blood at the camp. IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthausam said that the blood donated today will help meet blood requirement in emergencies.
Mi piba lakpa matamda matamga chunaba bet pibiu haina IPSA gi saitagi appeal tawjari aduga IPSA na ngasi hairiba wakalon ase mari leinaba director amadi MS da aikoi unajraga hauji lairiba bet ase matamga chunadre matamga chunaba blood bank gi bet pibiu haina aikoi IPSA na matamgi matungina pibiu haina haijege.
President of Jalangrong Human Rights Protection Forum, Robert Gonmei, expressed displeasure over the Manipur government's decision to extend the service of retired IFCD Chief Engineer G. Robindro Sharma. Talking to media at Chingmairong, Imphal, Robert Gonmei further said that Robindro Sharma was retired from service in 2017, but a cabinet meeting in 2018 had decided to extend his service as officer on special duty, OSD, for 6 months. Gonmei also said that the government has gone against the High Court's order and urged that a new deserving chief engineer should be appointed for the concerned department.
Robindro Sharma na taba IFCD gi department sida chief engineer puba yaba fit toba leitabra haibse akoina khangjaningi adu matungna Robindro Sharma ase Manipur High Court na order ta kiba phaba moina amuka hanna re-engage tawribse horiban harol sing puba yaba mi sing mahake moige right se matpani aduna asise human rights bole tobni adu akoi kanna condemn towe Jirvinder Sharma se mahakpu amuka re-engage tawba muhuta mahakna 40 years pukhiba mahak chief engineer ama oina mahakna tawkhiba thabak sing ado mahakpu review tawbi thabak to mana kamai tawbibra haibido review tawbiyo mabu service de review tawhanbignu haibse ekhoina apambani.
People are facing inconveniences as the road leading to the helipad at Harinagar Jiribam is left in bad conditions. Besides, founder of Social Welfare Association Jiribam, Priyo Kumar Mainam said there is shortage of waiting sets for passengers and no separate toilets for male and female are there.
On behalf of peoples of Jiribam, lambi thong si kitang mong taramdre di hek walkable oiba motorable oiba potumakti oidre marangadana mari lenaba authority na atuba matamda di lambi thong je priority kitang memiang changhaningi atana service si anakpa northeast ki like Shillong khangde Guwahati khangde or se Arunachal gumba Sikkim gumba si suki connectivity se further development on a step on a local piragadi hena waiting hall ama second priority da sanjani adu sumaina helicopter ki service ama Manipur sarkar na tangai phadna sumaina launch to biro introduce to biro jiri praja khoi gi di am laibak phaba hai tar.
The One Manipur Downloading Peace conducted a tree plantation program at the India Peace Memorial Complex located at Maibam Lokpuching, Maibam. Publisher of the Shanghai Express, Rishikant Sapam, and advisor of One Manipur Downloading Peace, C.H. Ibohol, attended the event. Rishikant said the program aims to make a greener Manipur. Ignite Club organized a workshop on Bloom Beauty Salon at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace Compound, Imphal, on the theme The Enthusiast in Beauty and Salon Industry. Business head of Natural Salon and Spa Managing Director of Ignite Club, Chinglemba, and makeup artist Jenny Kurai were present during the workshop.
अखोइना दुकान अमतकी खंगलै लैरगा मी अमदा खंगतौ तौबा हाबसी रिक्स याम वांगिबा पोनिना सुमाइना ताकपिरगा नोइदो उहलगा सीजन हंतादी अखोइदा सुदाना कानारे अदकी पैसा दुजु टेंगदरेको अदुना सकुंबा वर्कशॉप असि आइगी मोतदी यामना लाइबा फाबा यामना हराउनिंगाय ओइबा अखोइगी तुंगी ब्यूटिशियन सेलन
Pump House number 1 of Loktak project will resume supply of water from September 15 after halting a month due to technical failure.
Masiki process tawring sida aikoina lawji kangdare haidana koina kanna pressure pibdagi sidi e lataga jor yauna pump house latuna wan latuna hanigi yadaba transformer 3 mbc try to jedna कोई वाटर जो डिपार्टमेंट की इना यावना कंपनी की कोई होजिक लेबा तेरा होटल लिंखलेबा मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट लिंखलेबा इंडस्ट्रियल सेट लेबा कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मर सेमबगी कंपनी का लेबा सिदा सिनादना एलआई 1 दगी मसी अचोबा हाने यादबा 3 इनबीजे फुकतुना होजिक सेमले लाइबा सेप्टेम्बर के तारीख 13 गे मनुंग सिदा इंस्टॉल तोगना इसिंग पीबा ngambay amagi chance lere haidana koida.
Under the Civic Action Program, 109 Battalion Central Reserve Police Force CRPF today distributed 20 water storage tanks to Mongsangai residents during a program held at the community hall of Mongsangai Makhalika in Imphal West. The 5th Lamyanba Hizam Irawat Ningsing Sport Painting Competition will be held on 29th of this month at Kwaket Hill Girls High School located at Kwaket Hill Bazaar, Imphal. The painting competition will be organized by student body Apunba Iraipa Ki Mahiroi Sinpanglo AIMS. Let's take another short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Nupani kaina kumai arau za atek pubide. Leishari ngaidana aduda puniga dada puniga.
Ngasi de kaino
Yare, nung phadoksu koi pubibado. Akhoi di phangjadrabani.
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pawni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok ka dawri
Ajidi kaida.
hapta kan jimuda
Asingwira.
mane
DS Enterprises Kaisam Thongna Khodol Tamliba Ahumlak Suboina Pangtok Kadoriba Langbal Kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show Dance Competition Tapta Night Musical Night Amadi Angang Singidamakta Oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyam da kumay oihangadoriba Ahum Suba Langbal Kaithel
Ajidi yam nungai ni.
adi miyam do nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba
Welcome back. Nagaland Agriculture Minister G. Kaito Aye said the central government has introduced an all-age scheme for small landholding and marginal farmers in the country called Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana PMKMY. The PMKMY is a voluntary contribution pension scheme and individuals in the age group of 18 to 40 years may register for the scheme. It will provide a monthly pension of Rs 3,000 after the registered farmers attain 60 years of age. There is good news for Indian students going to Britain for studying as the UK government has announced a new 2-year post-study work visa expanding opportunities for brilliant international students to build successful careers in the UK. The new graduate route will be open to all international students, including those from India, as per sources. Mizo Zirlai Paul M. Chetpi, Mizoram's apex and most influential students' body, strongly opposed the intervention from outsiders on the issue of repatriation of Bru refugees. The students' body expressed strong disapproval of a group of people from Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra under the banner of Bharat Hitaraksha Abhiyan BHA staging a demonstration in front of State Chief Minister Joramthanga's bungalow on Bru-related issues. More than 100 people belonging to Bharat Hitaraksha Abhiyan staged demonstration in front of Chief Minister's bungalow and demanded cluster villages and other privileges for the Bru people when they are repatriated back to Mizoram. Meanwhile, the state government is in a mission mode to repatriate over 4,400 Bru families from Tripura in October this year. New Delhi's blacklist of Sikh foreign nationals who were banned from travelling to India has been reduced from 314 to just 2, a senior Home Ministry official who did not want to name said on Friday. The 312 nationals taken off the blacklist will now be eligible to get Indian visa and the overseas Indian card, the official said, and added all foreign missions have been informed about the change. The decision to whittle down the list was taken after a review of threats posed by these people to India. During 1990s, when the militant movement for a separate Sikh homeland was at its peak, many Sikh Indian nationals and foreign nationals belonging to Sikh community fell to anti-India propaganda. Some of them even fled India to escape Indian authorities, became foreign nationals and took asylum outside India. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that the situation in Jammu and Kashmir risks sparking an accidental war. Speaking to journalists on the sidelines of the UN Human Rights Council session in Geneva on Wednesday, Qureshi said he believed both Pakistan and India understand the consequences of the conflict, but he added that an accidental war cannot be ruled out. If the situation persists, then anything is possible, he said. He said United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights Michelle Bachelet was keen to visit the region. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chief Minister Biren calls for joint action to curb drug menace. Increase in drug abuse by the youth worrisome, says Governor Dr. Nazma. And cookies observe Black Day demand justice for innocent cookies killed in mayhem of 1990s. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.